So here is my magic portion. At this point, it's magic. This mixture. Shake it, and shake all the bluffing and the big belly, galley. Oh, galley. Shake, 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 shake. And the results from 1 week are just tremendous. So here's the thing: I'm feeding in something I didn't even expect it to fit in. So I just went by the mirror like 20 minutes, 30 minutes ago, and I realized how flattened my stomach is. And let me put you a picture of me 1 week ago. I even had to like I did not recognize my body. I said, who is that? Like the way I was feeling, spring and the 2.5 years we've had hard. So, and I looked at me, I was so embarrassed by the volume of my body that I had to kind of cut a part to show the beauty I wanted to show. But this is real how it looked like. So the picture I did not delete it. Thank God, because this is what I've been doing for the past year or past 1.5 year, and I've been struggling with weight. So this is exactly 6 days after I took this picture. And let me stand up and show you, or go on my knees and show you how flattened my stomach is. I can't believe this. I've been trying tons of things, but it seems as if I didn't like it wasn't working, and it was tempting my motivation. So once you try and then you say no, it's not for me, maybe I have to live in the body I am, in the sense of like cherish is like it has done a lot for me. So I can't be disappointed by my body. And yeah, so let me stand up. I know it's not look like I was surprised I could feel it. Now let me stop in. You see, it's not too much, but for where I'm coming from, it's a lot, a lot in just 1 week. I almost cursed. It's just a lot. Like I can fit in this, and I've already started. I've literally like 4 days later after I saw that picture, I said, "This is not like." I only had two of those jumpsuit jumpsuit, and I was just wearing them like washer. The black one is in the washer, the green one is wet, tack, and then bounce it up with leggings, and you can dress up and dress down leggings. That's why I love them. But so this is the recipe I've been doing, and I'm surprised it flattened my belly. Like the way I feel, I might look differently, but the way I feel. But before, let me tell you something. If somebody's asking for numbers, I have none. And here's why. I was afraid of the number 100 kgs. So when I was at 99, I was like struggling and doing the most and not, putting too much stress on myself. But I still managed to pass the 100 kg. So once I saw that 100.9, like it was about to be 101 kg, I said, scale out. Because from there, I'm not ready to pay the price of the emotional damage that figure or that number is going to do to me. So it's not worth it at the moment for me to have the figures, because it's the feeling and the way this jumpsuit is making me feel. That was what matter at the moment to me. So I have no numbers, but the fact that I can fit in, it's squishy here, but I couldn't, to be honest. Like, me. So here is my magic portion. At this point, it's magic. This mixture. What I did, like, I took a normal glass. You can even see that I bought it 50% off. Like, I don't waste my coins. We are not ready for that. I do not waste my coin. So it's basically me taking. Um, I have to find where the spoon is. Yeah, there it is. So what we have here, it's moringa powder. It came with the like one, and then I go in with the female maca one, and you can see I bought 1 kg of it. I go in here with one matcha tea, and then put it back there just in case you're confused. And this is a game changer in sense of taste, because this alone is disgusting, but I managed to drink it 6 days. This one. But yesterday, I added a little bit of um, ACV. This is what I bought. I didn't find the one in the glass, but it is the one with the mother. I shaked it like there's a mother in there. You can see it. So start where you are, as they say, and then you go in with 60 grade lukewarm or warm water. Like mine can cook it just like that, but use what you have. Shake it, and shake all the bluffing and the big belly, gale, oh, gale, ewa. Shake. What the ACV does in terms of taste is like I don't know, but now you know, because I went in there and I did I was your testing mouse, your laboratory mouse or mice, and I tested it before it gets because I have a funny boy here, and then I drink it. Mm. It's not the best thing in the world. It does the job. So et voila, wash out. This is what I've been drinking every morning. This is day 8, and the results from 1 week are just tremendous. As I said, I will not be working with the numbers until I'm ready to handle them mentally. Like the mental damage is just too much for the information. It's not worth it. But I'll be working with my closest. And so far, I am happy. So that's it for my magic portion. It's my experience. If you have more, let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for, you've watched it far. Thank you. And okay, I forgot. Very important. This thing is going to curb your appetite. That is like the side effect I had. Like yesterday, um, at 11, I drank it at 11, and I was about to be like starting to think, oh, I should eat. I'm hungry. Before you know, the hunger left the chat. So I'm not in that body anymore. I'm not standing grilling. I'm not. So that's it. I think I've said enough this far. Yeah, I'll keep doing it, of course, and maybe at a certain point I will have the figures for you. But I know that the clothes I was wearing once I clocked 100 kgs, they did not fit. So I'm sure I went over because it was just uncontrollable, and I wasn't even eating. Like it was my head, and I'm figuring out right now. So Subscribe if you want to watch my. It's not even postpartum at this point. My child is already more than 1 year old, but people say postpartum is 2 to 3 years. So after baby body transformation, whatever toxic kind of thing. No, I'm not doing it. I just want to feel good in my body. I've talked enough here. So let me show you my see for the body. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kidding you. Bye bye.